So that was a very enthusiastic presentation. Thank you. And now, so we are almost there. Now it's time for our actually last talk of the day with Professor Moin Selen. He's professor of pediatric renal medicine and founder of PureSpring Therapeutics. He set up and had one of the world's largest renal disease research laboratories in Bristol, and he established the human conditionally immortalized glomerular cell lines as the gold standard tool for researchers worldwide. He founded a new gene therapy spin-out company with the largest ever Series A funding for a UK university biotech. Please welcome our keynote speaker, Professor Moin, and his presentation is titled Transferring Academic Innovation to a Successful Kidney Gene Therapy Biotech. Welcome.
Yeah, great stuff. Thank you very much for the kind introduction and really nice to be here. So I'm an academic. I'm a pediatric nephrologist, so I treat children with kidney disease in Bristol, at Bristol Children's Hospital, and I also run a big glomerular disease research lab in Bristol. So I'm slightly unfamiliar with the surroundings of working with industry and pharma and also venture capitalists. So I'm on a very steep learning curve. So I thought the best way of approaching this was actually to sort of give you an idea of the kind of journey that I've been through so far in getting this far and setting up PureSpring and hopefully introduce you to a really exciting concept. So kidney disease, as I say, I'm a nephrologist. These are the patients that we deal with, and it's a huge global problem. And you may be aware that if you look at the incidence of chronic kidney disease worldwide, in populations, it's up to sort of 15 to 20% of the population, depending on how you define CKD. And it's a rising tide, so there are increasing numbers of deaths from kidney diseases. Some of the sort of estimated figures are given here. And also, it's an unmet need, but it's also a hugely expensive problem, because if you end up with end-stage kidney disease, you need dialysis, you need transplantation. Worldwide, that's not available to the majority of the world in the developing world. So many patients